Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to connect 2 Minute Reports MCP with ChatGPT. Once connected, you can ask questions about your data in plain English and get instant insights. Let's get started. First, head over to chatgpt.com and log into your account. Once you're inside, click on your profile icon, then select Settings. Inside Settings, open the Apps tab and click on Advanced Settings. Here, you'll need to enable Developer Mode. Once that's turned on, click Create an App and enter a name for your app. Next, in the MCP Server URL field, enter mcp.2minutereports.com/mcp. After that, check the box at the bottom and click Create. Now, you'll be asked to sign in with your Google account. Make sure you use the same Google account connected to your 2 Minute Reports account. Once the connection is complete, you're ready to start using ChatGPT with your business data. Now, simply mention 2 Minute Reports in the chat. You can now ask questions about your account's e-commerce stores and social media performance. For example, you could ask, "Show me my Shopify store performance over the past 3 months." ChatGPT will connect with 2 Minute Reports, analyze your data, and give your insights like sale performance, order trends, and more. And that's it. You have successfully connected ChatGPT with your 2 Minute Reports account. Now you can explore your data, get summaries, and track trends over time, all through simple conversations. We hope you found this helpful. If you need any help or have questions, feel free to visit 2minutereports.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.